Welcome to Beautyistic, where we explore the latest beauty innovations to see if they really live up to the hype. Today, we're talking about a product that promises to elevate both your skincare and hair care routine. The Shark CryoGlow Blue Frost LED Face Mask, paired with the SmoothStyle Heated Comb and Blow Dryer Brush. Let's see how this combo of under-eye cooling, LED treatments, and heat-free hairstyling really works in practice. The Shark CryoGlow is a unique tool designed to refresh your skin with MedSpa-inspired treatments. Featuring a combination of blue and red LED light therapy, this device targets anti-aging and blemish repair. It also incorporates infrared technology and an under-eye cooling feature for a more refreshing experience. The goal? To rejuvenate tired skin, reduce puffiness, and promote a healthy, youthful glow. In tandem with this, the Shark SmoothStyle is a heated comb and blow dryer brush designed for all hair types. The key selling point here is that it delivers smooth, voluminous, frizz-free hair without causing heat damage. This is a game changer for anyone looking for healthy hairstyling without the usual blow dryer heat burn. After incorporating both devices into my routine for several weeks, I've seen some real benefits. The CryoGlow mask is incredibly soothing, especially when you use the under-eye cooling feature. It helps calm puffiness and leaves the skin feeling refreshed, almost like a mini facial at home. The LED therapy felt gentle on my skin. No irritation, just a soothing, non-invasive glow. As for blemish repair, I can say that after consistent use, I noticed a slight improvement in the clarity of my skin. It wasn't an overnight miracle, but with regular use, my skin did look more even and revitalized. The SmoothStyle Blow Dryer Brush is a fantastic option for anyone who's wary of damaging their hair with traditional heat styling. It glides through the hair easily, adding volume and shine without the need for extreme heat. The real perk here is the frizz control. It works wonders on my normally frizzy hair. However, I did notice that it's not as powerful as traditional blow dryers. So, if you're looking for something that dries your hair quickly, this might not be your first pick. But if you're after smoothness and volume, this is a gentle yet effective option. Now let's talk about the pros and cons. First, the CryoGlow has a luxurious feel with its cooling and LED features. The under-eye cooling is a real highlight. It's refreshing and helps reduce puffiness in minutes. But the device does take some time to see visible results, especially for blemish control. It's a gradual process, so don't expect overnight miracles. As for the SmoothStyle brush, the texture and volume it adds to your hair are impressive, but it's not a fast styling tool. If you're in a rush, this could be a bit slow for your morning routine. When it comes to value for money, both products are at a higher price point, but I'd say they're worth the investment if you're looking for innovative solutions to skincare and hair care. The CryoGlow offers a professional, spa-like experience, and the SmoothStyle does a solid job at keeping hair healthy while styling it. If you're someone who frequently visits a salon for these kinds of treatments, having these tools at home might save you money in the long run. Comparing these to other beauty tools on the market, the Shark CryoGlow stands out for its dual LED therapy and under-eye cooling feature, which isn't something you see every day. In comparison, other similar devices might offer one of these features, but not combined. As for the SmoothStyle, it's on par with other heated styling brushes, but it really excels in controlling frizz without damaging hair. Both products feel premium in quality, and the build is sturdy. The CryoGlow is lightweight and easy to use with a sleek design. The SmoothStyle, on the other hand, is also quite light and easy to maneuver, even though it's not as fast as other blow dryers. As far as longevity, I haven't noticed any decline in performance, and both tools continue to deliver effective results with regular use. If you've ever had to contact customer support, Shark has been relatively responsive with inquiries. I've heard mixed reviews in that area, but I haven't personally needed to reach out, so I can't speak to that firsthand. Now, are there alternatives? If you're on a tighter budget, there are other LED devices out there, but none that combine the cooling and light therapy as effectively as the CryoGlow. As for heated brushes, there are plenty of options, but again, the SmoothStyle stands out because it's so gentle on the hair while providing volume and smoothness. So, what's the final verdict? The Shark CryoGlow and SmoothStyle are both excellent for anyone who wants to enhance their skincare and hair care routine without damaging their skin or hair. The CryoGlow offers a MedSpa-inspired experience, perfect for tackling under-eye puffiness and blemishes, while the SmoothStyle is a frizz-fighting hero for healthy hairstyling. While these tools may not be for everyone, they're definitely worth it if you're looking for a more luxurious, spa-like experience at home. If this review has been helpful, please like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you won't miss more beauty product insights. Your support helps us bring more honest, real-world reviews like this one. Thank you so much for watching. If you've tried the Shark CryoGlow or the SmoothStyle brush, let me know what you think in the comments below. I'd love to hear your thoughts. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.